Dollies, here we are, month 4 already. We're going to be making some really exciting blocks this month, and I'll share with you some of the memories that I have from growing up. We're going to be making the diamonds and the circle blocks this time. So the diamond blocks are based on my 60-degree patchwork techniques. This is the diamond block. Let me hold it the right way up. If you haven't done any of these before, they're so much fun. You're going to really enjoy doing it, and it's all cut with rulers and pieced on the machine, so we don't have any English paper piecing or anything like that to worry about. And then after that we're going to be making the circle blocks. I've only just started on mine, so I have lots to do, but I've given you all the information about all the circles that you need to cut. So one of the things I wanted to do was talk to you about the triangle rulers for the diamond blocks. If you've got the Creative Grids ruler, that's the one that I'm recommending. I like it because it has the blunt tip and it works really well. But if you don't have that one, one with the sharper tip will work fine. And I'm going to explain to you how they differ. So I hope you have lots of fun doing your blocks this month. I say a lot of circles to do. You'll be sewing around in circles. I hope you don't hypnotise yourself doing this sewing, but it's not going to take too long once you get stuck into it. And those of you who are trying some triangles for the first time, enjoy, and I hope you have lots of fun. Look forward to seeing your blocks on the Facebook group. I'm really enjoying seeing them all. And I'll catch you next month when we make some new blocks. Have fun!